are flying this Citation Ultra. We are in Milano, flying today to Istanbul. My co-pilot Yulia. Will you, Yulia?
Of course.
Look at this guy. The world is very small. Let's for takeoff. Ready?
Speed static on. Sector light radar.
Yum yum. Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin Fechenko, KFE Avia, aviation sales, passenger and cargo charters. We are flying this Citation Ultra and we are flying today to Istanbul Ataturk airport, which is located in the city center. And basically what we are doing now, we are refueling our aeroplane, and I had to guide the truck because usually it is refuel over wing, but this particular model is equipped with single point pressure refueling. Buongiorno. We have the pressure. Full, maximum, automatico, maximum. Grazie. Meanwhile, I go and pay the handling fee, and my co-pilot Yulia, she will stay here and coordinate the fueling. Will you, Yulia?
Of course.
So nice from you. Lungo, sì. So we have 7 and 8 turbulence Charlie Bravo in the vicinity of the airport. The wind is a crosswind, slight tailwind. The weather is good, becoming from 8 to 11, 0 to 016 knots, tempo from 7 to 11, which is not the case, gusting 27 knots, thunderstorm rain, probability 40 from 2 to 6, thunderstorm rain, but this is tomorrow morning, as we can see, from 2 to 6 of the second. Today is the first. Alternate, wow, alternate doesn't look good. We have to choose the other alternate. I think we will pick Chorlu. Chorlu is a smaller airfield, like 100 kilometers away from Istanbul. But there is an autobahn, so it takes you like 50 minutes to get to the city. Been there, done that. Let's go and get the clearance, and what else? I don't think they will give clearance now. I think the special instruction in this airport says that clearance will be given at Q1. Released on Q1. No, we can actually, no, request startup clearance on ground. Yeah, we can actually do it. Yeah, why not? Look at this guy. The world is very small, Edoardo Amati. The guy who was flying the previous Citation with Italiano. I'll try to catch him now. Welcome. Now quick tour around aeroplanes.
Yeah. Hawker 750.
Hawker 750, cruising speed. Let's walk around.
Mach 7.8 adjusted for cruising, but the maximum is 0.81.
Nice,
0.8.
nice. You like flying it more than Citation?
Yeah, no, it's beautiful.
It's
very
better,
big cabin, stand-up cabin. Ho un amico del cuore che vorrà vedere l'aereo, che lui comanda.
Buongiorno.
Lei è la Chiara.
Buongiorno, è il mio nome è Costantino.
Piacere,
Il mio comandante.
Nice, nice. Wow, it's much nicer, huh?
Yeah, it's very beautiful inside.
Cool. That's
With
cool.
view and everything.
And you have this ProLine.
Yeah, ProLine 21.
No, arrivederci. That was quick tour. Linate clearance, buongiorno. We request startup and clearance. Destination Ataturk, Istanbul.
514 Kilo, stop approved, information through. Zebra 4 Kilo, first clear to start up with information due to
Linate clearance, buongiorno. We have Zulu on board requesting clearance and startup.
clear. clear to Lima Tango, Bravo Alpha, Absem 6 Alpha, log D7 Alpha, 4,000 feet, 0423.
Log D7 Alpha, 4,000 feet, 0423.
Before log D7 Alpha, Absem 6 Alpha.
Absem 6 Alpha before log D7 Alpha. So this airport has the departure with the transition as well. So departure goes to Absem and then Absem goes to log the transition. I don't know why it needs to be split in two sections, but it is as it is. And I have time to put this in the Garmin GPS to be well prepared. Everything has to be ready. And also reading the instructions. Climb on 353 track at 1,500 feet, but not before Lima India November. Turn right to intercept Lima India November radial 033. Checking database, all valid. So we have the flight plan stored right here. Menu, catalog. Yulia already did everything, so I go to activate routing. Linate, Mike Lima 614, 461, sorry, 461, 462, 463, 464, Absem. Checking speed restrictions if there are any. No speed restrictions, we are good.
Request taxi.
Taxi, November 5 via November, follow me to November 1, KNH 1014.
So taxi via November 5, then November 1, and QNH 101.
Taxi light on, left side clear, check right side.
Right side clear.
My brakes check your brakes.
Kilo Echo with the information Bravo, QNH 1015. We are ready to copy to help.
Slab set for takeoff. Speed brakes.
Runway 35.
Check speed brakes, please.
Flight controls.
Flight controls, full and free.
MFD already set.
Ready, heading, go around my side.
Go around. Electric elevator 3.
Please expedite until past November 6.
Check.
Bravo 5 clear for takeoff, 110 for north.
Runway 35 clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, ready.
Beta static on.
On.
ICI 60 lights,
Check.
radar, transponder. Transponder initiator panel. No. Flap set for takeoff. Initiator panel clean. Trim set. And the speed set. Airspeed alive.
Check.
B1.
Rotate. Gear up, please.
Positive rate. Gear up.
Nav mode.
Nav mode.
L nav captured. Check. It's okay, it's okay. Reducing power.
Chiaro 2032, 35 clear to land, wind variable 5 north. Clear to land, round 35, Taro 2032.
Milano, Buongiorno, 2000 to 300, climbing to 4000.
Ryanair 5 Charlie Uniform, descent level 110.
110.
Negative, communication was for another traffic.
Copy, climbing 4000.
Milano, buon pomeriggio. Radar contact for you. Climb to place level 190.
190.
There is a magic button. Standard 1013, standard 1013, passing 86 now.
86.
87, cross check. Level 300 set, vertical speed mode, and selecting
Speed.
with this knob, selecting vertical speed. 36465. Arrivederci, grazie.
136-465.
36465. Climbing 300 to Nicole, request 410.
Roll number direct Nicole and via 290, climbing 300.
Launch time at level 4, 417, 418. We are climbing 430. Doing impossible today.
but the performance is quite cool. You make 395 knots ground speed with 10 knots tailwind, Mach 6.75 in climb. Very good. Breakfast food.
And the advantage of being captain is that you don't need to be in the mask all the time. I don't wear mask. I wear mask. I hope it's boiled. It is.
And I think it's okay to listen for the weather. 13025. 3025.
Runway 05, wind 030 degrees 10 knots. Transition level 135. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Scattered 2,500 feet broken.
Okay, so runway 05, ILS Zulu.
Contact Ankara 119.3.
19.3 Ankara. Ankara United descending 270 inbound Adoro. We have whiskey for Ataturk on board.
Approach 11935.
Ankara, just confirm. Ankara, hello. Sofia, do we have another frequency for Ankara for us?
119.3. That's what we have, that's the lower sector.
Okay, we'll try again 119. Ankara, hello. Radio 5270 checking in Adoro.
Runway 12 Ankara identified.
Yeah, the reception here is...
Contact approach 1271.
271. Okay, let's do the briefing if you're ready.
Ready?
So approaching Istanbul Ataturk Airport. Expecting ILS Zulu runway 05, ILS frequency 110.3, both nav set. Final approach course 053, both sides set. 053 I will set on this standby instrument. Intercepting glide slope at 2,600 feet, which is mandatory altitude distance 8.1. From India, Sierra Tanga, ILS DME. Decision altitude 293, decision height 200, just for reference. Minimum sector altitude 3,000 feet, in case of missed approach 3,500 and then 5,000.
Are you able to execute?
Approach, could you confirm expedite descent?
Are you able to execute ATVEP to Quebec arrival? Start.
We'll check shortly. ATVEP to Quebec.
FM Alpha Tango Victor Echo Papa.
ATVEP to Quebec, just checking.
Are you able to execute that start?
Affirmative, we are able ATVEP to Quebec arrival.
Say again, please.
We are able ATVEP to Quebec. Just to confirm now, which point shall we go to?
Now continue on heading 140.
Heading 140. Interesting, she gave us the arrival after we passed it already. So the arrival would have to start here, and we already passed here. But that's okay, we can do it, we are able. But now we need to check the arrival itself. Flaps 20 for landing. Here we have minima of RVR 550 meters. Runway intensity lights, Papi on the right side, high intensity approach lights. After landing, okay, to the left via Echo 5, and then probably Foxtrot Golf, something else. We'll be seen later. Now I will open arrival. ATVEP to Quebec. It's actually taking us to Point Vishny anyway.
Descend altitude 10,000 feet, KNH 1010, expect runway 05 ILS Zulu.
Descending 10,000 feet, 1010, runway 05, ILS Zulu. Set one.
Direct Abnin.
Direct Abnin. 1010 please, set direct Abnin.
And clear for ILS approach, runway 05 Zulu.
Okay, continue with descent checklist.
Recognition lights on.
Here, as we cleared for approach, I go heading mod out of FMS to nav mod, and approach mode lock armed. Altitude select captured 2600 feet.
Localizer runway 05.
Roger, contact tower 118.1, have a good day.
118.1.
Flaps to land.
Please check speed, flaps land. Speed brake.
Speed brake.
60 knots. Parking brake set.
Parking brake set.
After
Avionic
landing
power
checklist.
switch
Power
off.
off.
Off. Standby
Off.
Overhead propellers.
Off.
Down AC.
Off.
Flaps up.
Set. Günaydın. My name is Borat. I like you. I speak just a little bit. Thank you for watching this video. This was Konstantin Fechenko, KFE Avia Passenger and Cargo Charters. See you in my next videos, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Bye. Real stuff. Crazy. Yum yum.